Unleashing the legend, Jimi Hendrix's musical revolution and legacy. Subscribe to Music Educator for more icons unveiled. In the annals of music history, few moments are as seismic as Jimi Hendrix's 1966 arrival in the UK. This groundbreaking event marked the beginning of a new era, as Hendrix brought with him an unparalleled skill set that would forever alter the landscape of rock music. His unique sound, characterized by a fusion of blues, rock, and soul, captivated audiences and musicians alike, setting the stage for a musical revolution. Jimi Hendrix's early life was steeped in music, growing up in Seattle, Washington. His journey into the world of music was fueled by an innate passion and a deep connection to the blues and R&B. Hendrix honed his craft playing in various bands and backing artists on the Chitlin circuit, gradually developing his distinctive style. This foundation laid the groundwork for his later innovations, blending traditional blues with experimental rock. Upon his arrival in the UK, Hendrix's unique sound began to reshape the 1960s music scene, challenging conventional norms and expectations. His innovative use of feedback, overdriven amplifiers, and expressive virtuosic guitar playing pushed the boundaries of what was musically possible. Hendrix's performances were not just concerts, they were cultural events that signaled a shift in the sonic landscape of the era. The formation of the Jimi Hendrix Experience, with Noel Redding and Mitch Mitchell, solidified Hendrix's place in the music world. Their immediate success was unprecedented, with their electrifying performances and innovative sound capturing the imagination of a generation. The trio's chemistry on stage and in the studio was palpable, leading to a string of hit records that would become classic staples of rock music. One cannot discuss Hendrix's impact without delving into his innovative guitar techniques. His mastery over the instrument was unparalleled, utilizing techniques such as wah-wah pedals, fuzz distortion, and unorthodox chord structures. Hendrix's approach to the guitar was both an art and a science, allowing him to express a range of emotions and stories through his music. This exploration of sound and technique would go on to influence countless musicians, cementing his legacy as a pioneer of modern rock guitar. In the spring of 1967, the music world was forever changed with the release of Are You Experienced by the Jimi Hendrix Experience. This debut album not only showcased Hendrix's raw talent, but also introduced a psychedelic sound that would become a hallmark of the era, captivating audiences worldwide. Hendrix's performance at the Monterey Pop Festival later that year solidified his status as a guitar god. His audacious move of setting his guitar on fire on stage became one of the most iconic moments in rock history, symbolizing the intensity and revolutionary spirit of 1960s music. The rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner by Hendrix at Woodstock in 1969 was more than a mere performance. It was a profound statement on the tumultuous state of America. Through his searing guitar, Hendrix conveyed the pain and hope of a nation, etching this version into the annals of musical and cultural history. Hendrix's exploration and use of guitar effects pedals were groundbreaking. His innovative use of devices like the wah-wah pedal, fuzzbox, and univibe created a rich tapestry of sounds that had never been heard before, pushing the boundaries of rock music and influencing countless musicians. Electric Ladyland, Hendrix's third and final studio album, represented the pinnacle of his experimentation and musical genius. Released in 1968, it was not only a commercial success but also a critical one, showcasing Hendrix's versatility and mastery over his instrument, and cementing his legacy as one of the greatest guitarists of all time. In the kaleidoscopic world of the 1960s, Jimi Hendrix emerged as a pivotal force in the development of psychedelic rock. Through his groundbreaking use of feedback, overdriven amplifiers, and effects pedals, Hendrix crafted soundscapes that transcended the auditory expectations of the era, effectively birthing a new genre steeped in exploration and experimentation. Hendrix's lyrical prowess was as profound as his musical innovation. Delving deep into themes of love, social commentary, and cosmic musings, his songwriting process was a fusion of instinct, emotion, and intellect. This lyrical depth, combined with his unparalleled guitar skills, made his music a soundtrack for the counterculture movement, resonating with the spirit of the times. Beyond his lyrical themes, Hendrix's integration of blues into rock music was nothing short of revolutionary. With roots deeply entrenched in African-American blues traditions, his work honored and expanded upon this legacy. Hendrix's ability to channel the raw emotion of the blues through the lens of rock's electrifying energy bridged cultural divides and pushed the genre into uncharted territories. The establishment of Electric Lady Studios marked another chapter in Hendrix's storied career. This creative sanctuary allowed Hendrix to experiment with new sounds and technologies without the constraints of traditional recording studios. Electric Lady Studios not only served as a testament to Hendrix's vision, but also as a lasting legacy to his dedication to innovation in music production. Hendrix's performance at Woodstock in 1969 remains one of the most iconic moments in music history. Amidst a period of social and political turmoil, his rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner on guitar was a powerful commentary on the state of the nation. This performance encapsulated Hendrix's genius in harnessing the electric guitar to express the complexities of human emotion and societal issues, further cementing his legacy as a musical icon. Jimi Hendrix navigated a complex journey marked by both dazzling highs and profound lows. Despite his meteoric rise to fame, Hendrix grappled with the pressures of his newfound status, often finding himself ensnared in the trappings of celebrity. These challenges were compounded by his introspective nature, leading to moments of solitude amidst a chaotic lifestyle. In the early hours of September 18, 1970, the music world was shaken to its core with the untimely death of Hendrix. At the age of 27, he joined the infamous 27 Club, leaving behind a legacy that was as monumental as it was unfinished. The circumstances of his passing remain a subject of speculation and sorrow. Following his death, Hendrix's influence did not wane. It flourished. Posthumous releases such as The Cry of Love and First Rays of the New Rising Sun offered fans a glimpse into the future Hendrix was crafting. These collections, alongside live recordings, have helped to preserve his musical genius for future generations. The Jimi Hendrix Foundation emerged as a beacon of his enduring legacy, dedicated to enriching the lives of young people through music education. By offering scholarships and instruments, the foundation embodies Hendrix's belief in the power of music to change lives, fostering a new generation of artists inspired by his work. Today, Hendrix's influence permeates the music of contemporary artists across genres. From rock to hip-hop, musicians cite him as a pivotal figure in their creative development. His fearless innovation and mastery of the electric guitar continue to inspire, ensuring that his spirit lives on in the melodies and chords of modern music. In an era where musical legends are often fleeting, Jimi Hendrix's influence endures, captivating new generations long after his final notes echoed in the air. His music transcends time, with tracks like Purple Haze and Hey Joe continuing to inspire awe and admiration. Hendrix's work serves not merely as a testament to his era, but as a timeless beacon for aspiring musicians, demonstrating the limitless potential of creativity and innovation in music. Diving into Hendrix's live performances unveils a treasure trove of musical mastery. Rare recordings and footage reveal the sheer spontaneity and emotional depth of his artistry. Each performance was unique, a testament to his commitment to pushing musical boundaries. These glimpses into his live shows provide invaluable insights into the genius behind the guitar, showcasing a talent that was not only ahead of its time, but continues to set the bar for excellence in musical performance. Hendrix's approach to the electric guitar reshaped its role in music forever. He was not just playing notes, but conjuring emotions, using his instrument to speak in ways words could not. His innovative use of feedback, distortion, and wah-wah effects expanded the guitar's sonic possibilities, laying the groundwork for future genres and influencing countless musicians across the globe. Beyond his musical innovations, Hendrix's visual and stylistic identity became emblematic of the rock genre. His flamboyant attire and charismatic stage presence broke the mold of previous rock stars, melding music and fashion in a way that continues to influence the industry today. Hendrix's bold aesthetic choices, combined with his musical genius, cemented his place as a cultural icon, transcending the realm of rock music to impact fashion and visual arts. The counterculture movement of the 1960s found a voice in Hendrix's music, resonating with themes of freedom, love, and resistance. Through his lyrics and electrifying performances, Hendrix became more than a musician. He was a symbol of the era's social and cultural revolution. His music, imbued with messages of peace and unity, became anthems for a generation striving for change, illustrating the profound connection between art and activism. Jimi Hendrix, transcending mere musical genius, garnered critical acclaim that reverberated across continents. His innovative fusion of rock, blues, and psychedelia not only won him accolades, but also positioned him as a vanguard in the pantheon of 20th century music legends. His ability to synthesize diverse genres into a unique sound landscape earned him unparalleled respect among critics and contemporaries alike. Globally, Hendrix's influence extended far beyond the borders of his native United States. From Europe to Asia, his innovative guitar techniques and distinctive sound captivated audiences, inspiring a new generation of musicians. His legacy, a testament to his profound impact, continues to influence artists across a spectrum of musical genres, underscoring his universal appeal and the global nature of his artistry. The media and pop culture have played pivotal roles in cementing Hendrix's status as an icon. His visually striking performances and fashion, alongside his groundbreaking music, made him a staple of 1960s counterculture. His image and music remain ingrained in the collective memory of society, perpetuated through films, documentaries, and merchandise, thus immortalizing his contribution to music and culture. Hendrix's forays into jazz and funk showcased his versatility and willingness to explore beyond the conventional boundaries of rock music. This adventurous spirit not only expanded his own musical repertoire, but also paved the way for future generations to experiment with and blend genres, solidifying his role as a pioneer of experimental music. The power of Hendrix's live performances was unparalleled. His presence on stage was electric, captivating audiences with his virtuosic skill and emotional intensity. These performances were not just concerts. They were visceral experiences that left an indelible mark on those fortunate enough to witness them, contributing significantly to the enduring legacy of his career. In the annals of music history, the legacy of Jimi Hendrix occupies a towering presence, a testament to his revolutionary contributions. His work reshaped the sonic landscape of the late 20th century, transcending the boundaries of rock to influence a broad spectrum of musical genres. Hendrix's innovative approach to guitar playing and his exploration of sound effects ushered in a new era of music production, setting a precedent for future generations. Collaboration played a pivotal role in Hendrix's music, a reflection of his belief in the synergy of creative minds. His partnerships with musicians like Noel Redding and Mitch Mitchell in the Jimi Hendrix Experience and his collaborations with other artists underscored the importance of collective effort in achieving artistic excellence. These collaborations not only enriched his music, but also highlighted his versatility and openness to different musical influences. Exploring Hendrix's extensive discography reveals a journey of relentless experimentation and artistic growth. From his groundbreaking debut album, Are You Experienced, to his posthumously released works, Hendrix's recordings provide a window into his evolving genius. Each album serves as a milestone in his exploration of new sonic territories, blending elements of rock, blues, and psychedelia. The impact of Hendrix's guitar sound on modern music production cannot be overstated. His pioneering use of feedback, distortion, and wah-wah effects revolutionized guitar playing, inspiring countless musicians to experiment with their sound. Hendrix's legacy is evident in the studio techniques and soundscapes of contemporary music, echoing his innovative spirit. As a pioneer of experimental music, Hendrix's influence extends beyond the realm of rock. His fearless approach to composition and performance paved the way for future explorations in genres such as jazz, funk, and beyond. Hendrix's work remains a beacon of creativity and experimentation, inspiring artists to push the boundaries of what is possible in music. Jimi Hendrix's stage presence and performance style were as revolutionary as his music. With an electrifying charisma, he transformed live performances into immersive experiences, captivating audiences worldwide. His dynamic energy and expressive movements broke the mold of previous rock performances, setting a new standard for artists to aspire to. The preservation of Hendrix's memory has been fervent through various memorials and tributes erected in his honor. Cities across the globe have recognized his contributions to music and culture, ensuring that his legacy continues to influence generations. These memorials serve as a testament to his enduring impact on the world of music. Hendrix's spirit has also played a pivotal role in inspiring music education initiatives. By embodying the possibilities of creativity and innovation in music, he has become a symbol of artistic freedom and exploration. Educational programs worldwide draw on his legacy to encourage young musicians to push the boundaries of their creativity. The importance of documentary and biographical works on Hendrix cannot be overstated. These resources provide crucial insights into his life, artistry, and the conditions that shaped his extraordinary contributions to music. They serve as an invaluable tool for both scholars and fans, offering a deeper understanding of his influence. In conclusion, Jimi Hendrix's unparalleled contributions to music continue to resonate, inspiring a call to action for current and future generations. By subscribing to Music Educator, readers can delve further into the stories of Hendrix and other influential musicians, celebrating the power of music to transcend boundaries and transform lives.